In those days when grandmothers and grandfathers knew how to tell tales of the wisdom and secrets of this world, the wind often dropped in, bringing with it the hoots of the forests and the fields that were beyond the reach of eyes and ears, to ears that knew how to understand his whispers.
Hi, I'm Zdenko Bašić and I'm here to invite you on a journey through the tales of the wind. This book is a collection of stories that my grandmother used to tell me. It's about the hidden worlds, parallel to everything we know and see. It is kind of a personal journey of my childhood. The stories that I was told were not just the stories, just bedtime fairy tales. They were real. My grandmothers believed in them, abided by the rules of those creatures. The forest, the trees, all those places really existed. It is where we used to play when we were children. There, the creatures from my grandmother's stories also lived. Elves, mercs, yagars, embers and witches, and all the others being from the ancient folklore. To us, daytime was given, and to them, nighttime was their time. In between, in twilight or in dawn, those worlds overlapped. And then you could see or meet those beings. So now I invite you to support this project so the wind can continue to tell its tales all around the world.
And the wind whispered its tales.